Assalamualaikum, my dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today we will take class about modifier from your SSC English second paper. Okay, so let's start the class. Today we will analyze questions. How will you answer a question? We should analyze a question to check our ability to answer a question. Understand? So you should try to connect with me, and you should take pen and papers. And when I will ask you, that time you should write down the answer in the comment box, and I should check your answer. Okay, so you should be ready, and you should take pen and papers. Understand? Okay, now we may start. This is a question. At first you should try to understand the question. Before answering a question, you should try to understand the question. At first, you should read out them. Read the following text. নিচের টেক্সটটি পড়ো and use modifiers. মডিফায়ার ব্যবহার করো as directed. যেটা কি করা হয়েছে? তোমাকে ডিরেকশন দেওয়া হয়েছে, তোমাকে উল্লেখ করা আছে in the blank spaces. খালি স্থানগুলোতে. That means you should fill in the blanks using different types of modifiers according to the direction. Okay. So let's start reading. The roads. Number A. Use an adjective phrase to post-modify the noun. To post-modify the noun, you should understand the direction. You should understand the direction. Adjective phrase. You should use an adjective phrase. I think you have understood phrase. A group of words. You should use a group of words, more than one word. Understand? To post-modify the noun. Post-modify, that means it should sit after the noun. It is used after the noun, and it should modify the noun. Which noun? This noun. Because post-modifier. The noun sits here. The adjective phrase will sit here, and it should modify the noun roads. Understand? So you should use a phrase. So we know that the modifiers of noun should be an adjective. Like that, the phrase should work as an adjective. Which phrase you will use, it should work like an adjective. Okay, so use an adjective phrase. So we may check. I have written the answer. Used in Bangladesh. The roads used in Bangladesh, or being used. You may write being used, or you may write being damaged. No problem. But according to the passage, you should try to understand the whole sentence. Like that, the roads dash are beset with problems. Are beset with problems. That means there are so many problems in the roads of Bangladesh. So which roads? Those roads are used. So in this way, you should try to understand the sentence, try to understand the meaning of the passage. That time you should make phrases, and you should try to use which one is more appropriate. This phrase should be used here. So you may used in the roads, used in Bangladesh. Used in Bangladesh, which are used in Bangladesh? The roads. Or being used. Careless or rash or poor driving is one of them. Next, most of the drivers are not. Pre-modify the participle. Participle means how many types of participle? Present participle, past participle, perfect participle. So this is trained past participle. So you should use a pre-modifier of the participle. So pre-modifier of the participle, that means the modifier should modify this participle. So this participle you should use a pre-modifier. So you should try to understand the meaning of the sentence. Most of the divers are not. Most of the divers are not trained. Are not trained. That means they are not trained. So you may use well or properly. That you may use them. This properly modifies this trained, or well modifies the word the participle trained. So this type of modifiers are being used here. Okay. Next, they not well educated. They are not well educated. They can dash use an adverb to pre-modify the verb. Use an adverb to pre-modify the verb. Which verb? Put their signature. So put is verb here. So you should use a modifier that should be adverb to modify the verb put. Understand? You should again read the text. They can use an adverb to modify the verb. So you should use an adverb here. That adverb should modify the verb put. So what type of adverb may I use? Use like this adverb. You may use hardly or only. If you use only, the meaning should be what? They can only put their signature. You may use only or hardly, like this. Okay, their signature and red Bengali. Next, they are indifferent to. They are indifferent to dash. Use a noun adjective. Use a noun adjective. They are indifferent to dash life. So noun adjective should modify the noun life. So noun adjective. We know that a noun should modify other nouns. So you should use here a noun, because a noun adjective modifies a noun. So we may use what types of noun here? So life. What type of life? If you use our life, it should not be correct, because our is not noun adjective. If you use their life, there is possessive. It is not a noun adjective. So you should use a noun. Okay. So you may use human. Okay. Human life. You may use human life. Human is a noun. So the word human here modifies the noun life. What type of life is it? Human life. So what should we study? They do not realize that life is dash. Use a determiner. You should use a determiner. So what is called determiner? A determiner determines the noun or adjective. So determiner generally gives some information about noun. Okay. So which are determiners? We know that a and the, these, that, my, many. These are being used as determiners in English language. So you have practiced them in our previous classes. So what is appropriate here? Which one should be appropriate here? So we may check it. They do not realize that life is, use a determiner, valuable than time. So valuable, which determinant should be appropriate with the word valuable? So we may use here more. We may use here more. So what should be the meaning? They do not realize that life is more valuable than time. Okay. Then driver. Sorry, they drive dash post modify the verb. So they drive. How they drive? What's about their driving? So they drive. Post modify the verb. You should use a modifier that should modify this verb. Drive. So how do they drive? কিভাবে তারা গাড়ি চালায়? they drive recklessly. তারা কি ঝুঁকিপূর্ণভাবে গাড়ি চালায়। So you should use recklessly to modify this verb. Okay, next one. They use an adverb to pre-modify the verb. Use an adverb to pre-modify the verb. Drive. They dash drive consciously. They dash drive consciously. আচ্ছা, বেশিরভাগ ড্রাইভার কি কনসিয়াসলি ড্রাইভ করে? সাধারণত তারা কনসিয়াসলি ড্রাইভ করে না। So which one should be appropriate to modify the verb? So you should use an adverb. So they hardly, you may use they hardly, কদাচিৎ or never, কখনো না, তারা কখনো কি করে না, সতর্কতার সাথে গাড়ি চালায় না, অথবা কদাচিৎ, খুবই কদাচিৎ তারা হচ্ছে কি করে, সতর্কতার সাথে গাড়ি চালায়। Even they themselves are not conscious of, even they themselves are not conscious of. Use a possessive. Use a possessive. Possessive should modify the noun. Lives. So possessive. So what type of possessive? Even they, এমনকি তারা themselves, নিজেরাও are not conscious, সচেতন নয় of dash on life, নিজেদের জীবন সম্পর্কে, তার মানে তাদের জীবন সম্পর্কে। So you should use possessive. We know that my, our, your, their, his, her, these are possessives. So you may use here their, because it is the own lives. It means their own lives. They are not conscious about their own lives. So you should use here their. Understand? There. They drive dash. Use an adverb phrase to post modify the verb. Use an adverb phrase to post modify the verb. So adverb phrase. You should use an adverb phrase. You should use an phrase. That should be an adverb. So they drive dash and try to overtake others. So they drive dash. They drive with great speed. They drive with great speed. So with great speed, what is the speed they are driving? So this phrase adds information about their driving, about the driving. So they drive with great speed. So this phrase modifies the verb drive. Okay? So and try to overtake others. These are the additional part of this sentence. So in this way, like this way, before answering the question, you should read the passage very carefully. You should read the passage very carefully. If you fail to understand the passage, you will not able to answer the question. Okay? So before you are answering a question, you should read the passage very carefully and you should follow the instructions. What are asked you to answer, you should try to follow the instruction. You should answer according to the demand or according to the instruction of the question. Okay? So then you should try to understand the meaning of the passage and word, but it is not suitable to the meaning of the passage, your answer would be wrong. Understand? So you should practice the modifiers from your exercise book more and more, and like this way you should try to answer. Okay? Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.